Hi, Scott Pohl here, two-time PBA champion, and I'm coming with you with a very simple product you can get at any pro shop. And if they're not even open, you know what? I guarantee you the vending machine will have it. It's called Rosin. Well, what does Rosin do? It gives us a consistent feel inside the holes to have a good release. Number one, to have less over gripping of the ball or squeezing, which causes bad shots. Guess what? There's different kinds of rosin. First of all, let's take a look at some examples. So what I have here in front of me is what's known as a puff ball. All right, the puff ball typically works better for the drier type of hand. Why is that? Well, if we put this kind of puff ball in someone who has a lot of perspiration in their hand or a lot of moisture, makes it extremely chalky and it's hard to release the ball. I'd recommend it if your hand is a little bit drier in general, use the puff ball. All right, conversely, we have another one over here, which is the drier grip sack or grip bag, some people call it. This one works better for that one who has a little bit more of a wet hand, a little more perspiration. It'll help dry it and get it nice and easy to get out of that ball consistently. Last but certainly not least is just the simple pouch. This is what you see a lot of players use as well. This is very good, keeps it nice and simple in a smaller size. What I'm gonna do is actually show you just an example. Some people only use for their fingers or their thumb. Real simple application. So just open up the bag. You can just simply put your thumb in there a little bit and you're ready to go throw the ball. Now a lot of people don't like putting that much stuff on the thumb. It'll catch a little bit, they won't clear the ball right. Some people only like to use in the fingers. You see this on the Pro Tour a little bit. For example, Wes Malott before his shots almost always uses his rosin. He goes to the rosin bag just to have a nice consistent feel. Another nice thing about rosin is, you know what, it's very inexpensive. It doesn't cost much to try out a rosin bag. On average, $5 to $10. Hey, $5 to $10, if we can improve our bowling, why not give it a try? Stop by your local pro shop, talk to them about rosin. Sometimes they'll even let you try out some samples, see what works for you.